Hello and welcome to another video from School Tech HQ. Today we're going to be looking at Tinkercad's circuit feature. So this is where you can create circuits and test out different layouts of kind of electrical circuits instead of just going straight into it. Kind of helps with the planning stage. We've got this massive space here which is for putting all your components. At the bit at the side where you can see we've got all the different components here. You can see we've got basic components and then we've got Arduino specific ones, microbit specific ones, and circuit assemblies, kind of some pre-made stuff. So if we go to basic, just to kind of show you how it works, we can choose, let's say, a battery, and we just click and drag it in, just like with normal Tinkercad. We can just click and drag it in. We can then also rotate this. We use this option here, this triangle that is rotated, so change our orientation of it. You choose what type of battery, how many batteries, so if we want 2 batteries, 3 batteries, up to 4. I'm going to pick 2 for now. Built-in switch. We'll have a built-in switch for this one. Okay, so next we want to have a bulb. So if we just put in a bulb, this might use this if you're in school, a light bulb, and we'll add it in here. And I'm going to rotate this just to make it a bit easier for lining up my cables. Now to line this up, all we do is we hover over our connection. There's a positive here, and then we just click and drag, and it'll tell you terminal 1. If I want to change direction of it, so I can stop here, click, click, and every time you click it, it will then allow you to bend the cable so they can have some nice tidy cable management if you want. I can also change the color of this, so red for positive, then the negative to complete the circuit. It's going to go this way just for a bit of fun. There you go, and add it to the negative. I'm going to change this one to black because that's my negative one. Now once I've created my circuit, I can then start simulation. You can see it's on. I click off, on, off, on. You can see there you go, it's working. And then I just click stop simulation when I'm done. Now another example of doing this is with microbits or Arduino. You have your microbits. I've connected it up to this LED. And I've actually got an option to code. So I can actually have a look at, you can choose between blocks and text coding. So if I've got my blocks coding here for this microbit, when I press A, it will turn on. When I press B, it will turn off. So let's test it out. So if I start simulation, gives you some information about the microbit, all the sensors that are being used. If I press A, you see that it comes on. And then B, turn off. Now you notice actually when I press A, this little exclamation mark is thrown up, and that's because it's telling you a bit of advice about the current. So at the moment, I'm currently producing 0.3 milliamps more than what is the maximum recommended. So therefore the LED wouldn't last a long time. So I need to actually add a resistor, and I can add that in and change this model around. Another example is if I use a 9-volt battery and a servo. This one I can add in here. You see it works fine, and it's testing it out. My code's here. Every few seconds it's rotating around. However, look what happens if I remove this resistor and just add in a normal power cable. You see what happens is we've got this here where it's telling me, nice visual there, actually I have way too many volts being through it, and what will happen with the servo is that it will heat up and then eventually burn out, so I don't want that. So it can also help me find out, okay, I need to add a resistor. So yeah, that's how you can use Tinkercad's circuit builder to create and practice new circuits, electrical circuits that you're doing for any project.